In this video, I'm going to review and test and evaluate a new SEO platform or software, which is CPanel SEO. CPanel is known for their hosting and billing platform. They offer control panel for your servers, but they have recently launched the SEO platform or a software for your business. So we will be evaluating and reviewing this. It will be an honest review. I will be demonstrating all the features inside this particular platform. So hey guys, welcome to Kwebby digital channel. My name is Raman, and in this video we are going to review CPanel SEO platform for your business. It will be an honest review. I won't be adding any affiliate links to this, but you can sign up using the link in the description box. It will be a non-affiliate link obviously. So CPanel SEO is offering you a 15-day free trial, which includes the $19 per month pricing model. So they won't be making you add any credit card or something like that, or a PayPal account. You can just sign up for this free day for 15-day free trial without adding any payment methods. So they are offering two pricing model. If we see, first is $19 per month, second is around $80 per month. So $19 allows you to one project, one user to complete your website per project, 500 keywords, 500 pages to crawl. And if you see on the 80 higher end pricing model, which is $80 per month, which allows you to add 5 projects, 2 users, 3 competitive websites per project. So that means it will be a 15 competitors per project, 2500 keywords, which is actually decent, 10,000 pages to crawl per project. So that will be in $80 per month pricing model. So if you want to learn it with me, just click on this orangish button right here, 15-day free trial. So you will be getting a 15-day free trial without adding any payment methods of any sort. So after the complete sign up, you will have this kind of interface. So this interface allows you to add your first project. So let's follow this step by step. So in the general part, I'm entering the website of my new client, exceltutorial.net. The site is pretty new, so it may not have enough data, but it will be enough for demonstration purposes. So here you need to add your project name. So I will be adding the exceltutorial-client. So search engine you want to choose. Here there are different search engines you can choose from. So I will be choosing the English version, and if you have a French website or something like that, you can just click on it and select your own search engine. And here it will give you the list of keywords that are actually ranking currently on the Google. So let's just add all these keywords right here. There you go. And the brick and mortar business, if you have a local business, you can just select your state as city right here. So not applicable to my client here. And the next part is add competitors to monitor. So they will be loading all the competitors which are actually ranking on the keywords your website are ranking. So here are office.net. I won't be competing with this. Okay, there is this. Let's select it all to just see what they can offer. So you can select only 2 right here, because please add only 2 and we will do the rest. Okay, let's just add 2. So it will start creating the project here. So go to the dashboard. Okay, so it will redirect to the dashboard. As you can see, the site is pretty new, but here the keywords are 25, and you can see the overview keyword performance indicator. So visibility is 0, obviously site is new. Keywords are 25, average position is 61, which is I think decent for a new website. Top 10 rankings are 0, SEO rank is 0%. So here you will see, so no task has been found, open advisor. Okay, so it's a planner, I think. Yeah, so going to the projects here, let's see what they offer in the project section. So keywords we will do later. Let's see the project section what we are offering. And in the overview section, it says what is rank tracker. It will tell you what is the rank tracker here. Okay, and if you have a list of keywords, you can easily add by clicking the add keywords here. So in this way you can easily track all the keywords that you are actually ranking right now. Okay, so you can just add your keyword here and add keywords. It will start tracking all the keywords here. Okay, so if you click on the tracked keywords, so here are the tracked keywords. They already have tracked. So here are Excel learning videos. They are trending or ranking on these particular keywords. Excel tutorial videos and all these keywords are they currently ranking right now. And if you click on the ranking trend, it will tell you the trend of your ranking keywords. So like here, if they are going up and down, it will be seen here. So they are not going up, either up or either down. So it will remain like this only. So if you see on the keyword analysis, they will analyze all your keyword. Let's choose one keyword here, profit margin formula for this particular website, for this search engine. If you want to change your search engine, you can easily do that. Or if you want a mobile version of your rank tracker, then you can easily do it, switch it between the US and US mobile. So I will be doing the US here. Click on the analyze. So it will take a while. The thing is, I've been exploring this particular tool from past 4 days. Like you can see, I have a trial account and 11 days are left. So from the 4 days, I've seen the data rendering is very slow. Okay, as you can see right now, I've been on a 1 GB connection, and when I click something, or when I take request of some data or click any button here, it will load so slow here that I can't even tell you right now, because it make me wait more and more. So it's still loading here. So I understand the data collection can be a tedious task for them, but it should load faster. They should, I know the software is pretty new, but still it should work on this load time here. So here you can see the keyword analysis of each keyword. You can see the data they give us actually very promising. As you can see, the average position is not applicable right now, so biggest positive change isn't really there. But if you are working on some keywords, you will be find any change of last 30 days or so on, or even the total. So you will see all the position tracking here easily. And for the position tracking, I find it very useful, okay, but not as competitive as to other tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs. So that's all about it for the rank tracker. You can easily see all tracked keywords here in this particular section in the project. And if you want to switch project, you can easily do that by clicking on here, just like other tool like SEMrush or some Ahrefs or something like that. So now we are exploring the site audit. Site audit takes so much time right now, because if you see the analysis manager, canonical is 100% and they are actually running it right now. So as you can see, running 1 and waiting 0, and possible subtotal analysis is 1. So it will be available later, so we will see that in upcoming minutes hopefully. But I think it takes forever to take, I think up to a day to actually give the data for the audit here, not as fast as other SEO tools out there. So if we click on the text optimizer, it helps to optimize your content. Okay, if you have any, let's see, add a text analysis landing page in, let's go to Excel site here. So here is the site of our client. Let's go to this particular page and click here. So it says the statistical function, the keyword should be statistical functions. So additional URL if you want to include, or it includes any product pages, so it won't be including anything like that. And click on start optimization. Let's see what it gives. Okay, so status is still waiting. That what I hate about this, because it takes forever to load any data for you. So let's just wait for any completion here. Okay, so it take around 10 minutes to actually complete this. So let's go to this text optimizer. So it shows some filter like 1 word, 2 word, 3 words or something like that, and missing keywords are 67, so two rare keywords, and click on okay. So these are the keywords that is included, and some keywords are not included here. So what is this? The chart shows frequently occurring terms in your keywords top 10 result. Okay, so it will show the frequently occurring terms. It's actually like a tool called phrase or SEO surfer, which actually tell you which keywords are actually used in the top 10 results. So you have to optimize your content around it. So that's about it. So it will show you which keywords are actually there in your content and which are not there, like statistical not there or a formula not there. So this shows the term is included, it's too rare, so I have included less term. So you can just add, click on it, and you will see all the URL that are actually ranking using this particular keyword. So that's about it. And if you click on here, you will see all terms that are actually haven't included in that particular URL. So if you see these are the different filters here, like keyword add. You can add a filter if you want to. Okay, you can add a filter on the basis of priority or something like that. You can just load table view or save table view. So here are different keywords that actually give you an idea to include in your content. So I find this pretty straightforward. Okay, you can start writing here, writing platform like in the SEMrush here. So you can start analyzing text of any content URLs that are ranking for that specific keyword. So you can just start analyzing it. You see the word count, which is 516, and different word counts here, like in the 4000s or even 83, right? And even 161 are ranking in the top 10 here. So you can just see all the text here, and you can find all the keywords that you should include in your content and make it optimized accordingly. So text optimizer is all about that. So now we are moving forward to the planner. Planner is all about collect and group interesting keywords. Okay, so let's say add a plan. You can add a name around it, like I wanted to rank for Excel videos. Description, you can just add keyword like statistical function, which we are already doing it. So I will say statistical right there, and here click add a keyword. So you can add everything around such keywords, like about the statistical function, Excel function, or statistical formula. So formula is only one. Let's see about other statistical function. Okay, only one. Let's see, is there any Excel function out there? Yes. So let's just add 2 or 3 groups around it. Like here I will be adding indirect function, right? To add the group, let's say Excel function. Planner is all about, you know, collect and group around 1 or 2 groups around it and just work on it. So here you can save. So here the 2 keywords and the competitors at 1%, and it will tell you search volume and some search volume. So if you want to create a plan around these particular keywords and you want to work on it, then you can just see or group it into one and just start working on it. So you can see the indirect count and etc. Here you have a different kind of filters, or you have different kind of headers here, like a URL of this group, and here is the group, which is actual functions. You can add more to it, like clicking on the add here. And if you want to filter it out using some filters like a URL or a rank tracker or a keyword, you can easily do that. So planner is all about collecting and grouping keywords into one place. So if we are going to the project settings, what it does is it will tell you if you want to change the name of your project, you can easily do that. If you want to change competitors, you can also do that, including your 2 main selected. If you want to delete it, like here I want to delete this particular, you can just click on it, delete. And if you want to add any other competitor, just do it by adding competitor like that. Okay, it also gives a suggestion to it. And if you see, let's add some Excel formulas beautifier like here, and click on save, and it will add or change your competitor using this particular section. So hope you find all these detail about in the project section. Okay, now we are moving forward to the keywords. So keywords are actually very detailed in this particular suite, in this particular platform. In the overview section, you will find everything about the keywords you are actually ranking, the position, top 10 rankings, and SEO rank. So as you can see, visibility is 0 because the site is pretty new. The keyword they are ranking is 25, which is decent for the new website. The average position is 61, which we are going to work on it. And here are top 10 rankings, SEO rank here. So here is the advisor, which tells you which thing or which part of your SEO strategy you should work on. Okay, advisor is here. We will do the advisor section in upcoming minutes. So here the next steps is start text optimization, like we have done a text optimizer section. Start keyword research, so we will do that in a bit. So here are the track vital rankings. Okay, you should track your vital ranking that actually matter to your business, or define a focus keyword, or if you are working on some keyword right now, just define it and you start analyzing or content around it using text optimizer. So visibility is 0%, obviously it's new, and the visibility to Excel train, which is our competitor, is also 0%. Okay, I have chosen the wrong competitor here. It will try the visibility of your competitors. Okay, the competitors visibility is actually just close to 0 right now, and it was way above in our previous. So your domain are ranking for the 25 keywords, and Excel beautify ranking for 45 or below 45, which is actually, I have chosen the wrong competitor right here, right? Okay, anyways, and the keywords, it will tell you the graph how many keywords actually they are ranking, and interesting keywords are there. Why they are interesting? Because they are actually rising in terms of search profit margin formula. So it are rising in the 29th position. If you want to make it onto a top, you should optimize this particular keyword. That's what we are going into next minutes, obviously. So the CPC, as you can see, there are actually the cost per click for adverts of section, so it will be 13. And if you are ranking first for this, I think the keywords are actually interesting. We will be working on it. So that's, you can find all the interesting keywords. So here is the ranking spread. So ranking spread of Excel Beautifier is actually above than rest of us, and now we are on above. Okay, we are going to work on it. So here are the winner keywords which are actually ranking above every other keywords. So Excel training videos are ranking above it. So loser keywords are which we are losing right now. Calculate margin in Excel, so we are losing it right now, as you can see. So you can also work on the losers keywords, or you can also work on the winners to make it more optimized. So that's about in the overview section. Let's move to the ranking part, what it gives. So in the ranking part you will get the overview of every keywords that are actually ranking. You will see the new one, you will see the losing one, and everything you will see in this particular list right there. And the ranking spread, as we have covered in the home overview section, is the ranking spread of different keywords. As you can see, the page 1, page 2, I think this is actually very interesting chart. Like in the page 1, in which keywords are ranking higher, like in the page 2, there you can go page 6, page 5, you can see every detail about each and every ranking spread of your domain. So here are the rankings of mine, of my competitors, which I have mentioned here, like just like that. So that's it all. If you want to apply some pages, like I don't want to add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 7 page, I just want to add up to the 4 pages, click on the apply button and it will show you the ranking spread of each one, first to 4 pages right there, and you can see every ranking changes here. If you click on the ranking changes, it will show you all the ranking changes that are happening right now to your domain. So we are getting the new ones added into the search engines, like here the new you should start optimizing the new keywords that actually ranking on their index pages to optimize it. And here's the hot keywords. It will tell you all the hot keywords that you can basically rank or easily rank higher in the search engine. So no data found, there's no hot keywords right here. So as you can see, they identify URLs and keywords with the high potential to increase further. So it will tell you all the data which are hot keywords, high potential. High potential, what does that mean is maximum value with the lower competition. So that's what the hot keyword based on ranking. Trending keywords based on values, you can also see that on the base of ranking and the values. So that's what hot keywords is all about. So this particular software actually emphasizes more on the keyword research or the keyword ranking or the position ranking, less part on other factors like backlinks, backlink audit, like SEMrush does. So the data is pretty limited, but for the price of $19 per month, I think it's actually one of the best tool out there for this price range, just for the keyword position ranking and for the audit part. Audit part is actually trending right now, but we will do that once audit complete, because it takes more time to complete the audit. I don't know why, but it takes much more time. It should work on the data rendering part because it's actually very slow. Clicking on the keyword research, so let's do the keyword research, how easy to do it. So yes, your site audit is complete, click here for the result. We will do that in the end part. So let's do the keyword search. I will be doing the keyword search for the same. Let's do the keyword search for this particular page, which is how to use indirect function in Excel. Just copy this. So that's what I'm telling about. The data rendering is very slow. As you can see, it keeps on loading and loading. Let's just wait for it. Okay, so it's done. So it says the keywords medium search volume is 100, okay, and some search volume is okay, and search volume is this. Okay, so it says how to use indirect function in Excel. Okay, the keywords, what I was searching is to how to use indirect function in Excel. I don't know why they are giving me the irrelevant keywords in my search list. Was searching for the how to use indirect function in Excel, but it is giving me the relevant one. What is this? How to use in Excel? There's nothing about the indirect function here. I don't know how this actually works, but it's not working. Let's search for again. Let's see. I don't know. I mean, I was searching for the indirect function. Let's see. Let's delete how to. Let's say it gives. They are not actually giving me the result I wanted. I want an indirect function in Excel and want the related keywords to this particular keyword, but they are not giving me this. I don't know. Let me know in the comment box if I'm doing something out, because that's not what I wanted for my bugs. And they are showing the competitor user questions obviously, but they are not giving the questions related to my keyword. Okay, I don't know. I don't like this keyword search. I don't know. Anyways, I'm skipping this keyword research because the answer is pretty basic and not related to my keyword, so I will be leaving this, so giving it 0 marks keyword. I don't want a keyword research of this particular term, but they are giving related to my domain actually. So keyword research is pretty confusing, I would say. I don't know if it's confusing or not, but they are not giving the data I want. Please let me know in the comment box if I'm doing something wrong here, but to the date, which is 30th of August 2022, it's not working. I don't know, they should work on this particular part of their platform. Okay, now we are moving forward to the pages. Let's see, find your most successful directories and URL. So it will give you the most successful directories or URLs here. So there's the most URLs are ranking in the search pages, so it will give you all. So as you can see, the keyword performance indicator, our keywords are 70%, average position is this. So with top 10 ranking, obviously 0, so you will see all the URLs under that particular directory. So I think it's also very helpful data, because if you have a multiple directories like in the tool parts or in the blog parts or in other content areas, you can actually divide them into different URLs or directories and track each one of them separately. So I think the pages section does that job easily. So if you have another directories also, you can obviously add it here, or you can just click on the URLs to find more of it. And you can add a filter. Obviously save table view or load view is depend upon you. The pages section of SEO CPanel will let you know the successful directories and URLs. Going to the competitors here. So competitors, I think it will give you the data of our competitors, like identify domains that share rankings for the same keyword. So here is the list of, let's see, let's select all, and for my ranking keywords, this particular domain are sharing 22 rankings, and the list goes on up to 8 entries if you have a big website, so you can easily analyze using it. So it will just identify domains that share ranking for the same keywords. So it won't tell you any more information on it. It will just tell you the basic domains that share the ranking of the same keywords, which you have already discovered in your project. Okay, I don't think that will be useful for my strategy, but anyways. So let's go to the domain comparison. Here is the domain comparison of extratutor.net/videos, and you can also add more competitors, or your competitors of your business. Just enter that here, like I want to compete with this particular domain, and click on go. It will start comparison. So it will take time. Obviously I will say the data rendering of this particular platform is very slow, but it is for success. Okay, so it says there are these keywords that both are ranking. Okay, here it is. Free Excel training videos, they are ranking on 21st, and Excel statistical function, they are ranking on 5th. And where is your ranking, you will find here, and there's your competitors ranking. Obviously they are biggest website on the internet of Excel easy for the Excel tutorials, and here is pretty new. I think it's pretty decent result for the new website. And if we just go on and on, okay, you will find everything that you are ranking and your competitors are not ranking. So that's what you find in this particular section with the domain comparison. So that's about it about the keywords, and we have done the projects. Let's go to the project and go to the site audit. Let's find out the site audit result. So total optimization is 82%, which we have already done. The first part we do for any SEO project is to do a site audit. So 82% is above. Okay, the 4 errors are there for the 404 not found. The 4 terms they have given me is already there. I don't know why it's not found. It has listed as not found. I don't think they are working right now. And the target here is redirected to this particular playlist. Why it says it's not found? There's no status 404 code right here. I don't know. I think the site audit is also broken here. Okay, other is the little content of this particular URLs. I think there are 340s content which are actually lower. Okay, we are working on it. So these are the different site audit, but I would say the SEMrush site audit is far better than this, because HTTP 404 not found, they are giving me an error of this, but when I open there, it actually working and giving me a 302, which is a permanent redirection. Okay, so that's all about this particular site audit. So it give you the H1 duplicates, duplicate content, and the meta description duplicate, no canonical link, or URL is very long, or URL contains capital letters or something like that. So that's what it is all about. So let's go to the URL analysis. The overview we have already done. Let's go to the URL analysis of the site audit. So URL analysis is 2D rank. Okay, it gives 100 marks here. So it will give you the checklist which our website are working great. On the basis of these categories, results, error, crawlability, content, keywords, microdata, and technology. All the data you can find here. Content relevance search, Excel videos. Let's search for this. Okay, so relevance is right there. Found 496 hits for the term Excel videos. So it will just find every URL ranking for this particular keyword for our pages. Just like you can do it on Google, you can just do the content relevance search for that also. As you can see, it gives you the marks: 100% relevance hit, 94.1 hit, and you can just browse that all on. And going to the text, it will tell you the readability score, number of words, focus keywords, ratio code, and content. It also do the same. So there you go. You can easily analyze for each URL for the ratio of content and code. As you can see, the content is very limited to the code in all our pages, so I will be updating that in a bit. So that's all about it, about the site audit. We have done the project and keyword section. As you can see, some parts are not working and some parts working flawlessly. So let's go to the advisor section. So advisor section is like a CRM or a project manager. It will give you a hint to what to do regarding to your project. They have done the keyword search and they have already done the site audit. So they will give you the relevant task to fulfill, like remove special characters from 4 URLs. Let's just move to the in progress. So let's see which special characters are in the 4 URLs here, as if we open each of them. So here is the special characters here, like percentages. So for that we need to replace that with another image without any spaces. Okay, so that's how you can easily do that. And there are number of advisor, or you can say number of things to do here, which recommend you to perform on your site here. I think this is one of the best way to perform tasks based on this advisor. So this is actually the basic CRM or a project manager for, or you can say a task manager for you. And go to the reporting. There you will can create a report, or you can select the areas of reporting, like a keyword overview, rank tracker, site audit. So this tool is actually about these 3 stuff. Okay, the keywords, rank tracking, and site audit. That's all about it. So for the backlink part, for the content optimization part, and there is actually a text optimizer for the content optimizer, but it's not completely, or I will say better if we compare to SEMrush or Surfer SEO or something like that. So here the report archive, which you have already created. There's a template setting. You can upload your own URL or upload your own logo to add to your report here easily. Just click on upload logo, it will start uploading your logo here. You can easily create your own remarks here, right here. So that's all about it. So if you ask me this particular SEO tool, I would say please skip it for now, because the data it gives is very low, and also the data rendering is very slow. And there are actually many tools out there that function better in a way. The $90 per month is actually nothing if we compare to other softwares like SEMrush or Surfer SEO, which is on the higher end, but they give you the data which you actually need for your SEO strategy. So I will say skip that for now. Maybe they are new, that's why there's a lag in some data or rendering or something like that. So I will say you should opt for the alternative solution like SEMrush. And if you want to try the SEMrush, you can find the link in the description box where you can sign up for the SEMrush and see it yourself for the first 7 days, that what data it can give for the price, or for the price of like $99 per month. So I hope this video helps you to identify or evaluate this particular software. I will give this particular tool 2 out of 5 for now, but I will be reviewing this particular software later in the later stages if there is any advancement to this or if there is any update to this. So I will be in touch with this particular software. We'll upload the video later. So if you have learned something from this video, please click the like button. If you have some questions in mind, you have a comment box with you. And if you want to see such video in the future, you can subscribe to this channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.